Hi, in this session we will see how to insert the elements into the linked hash set structure. Here we are going to create the linked hash set object by using the linked hash set class. Here by default the capacity and load factor is initializing as per the procedure. Then which is implementing the set interface. The command line arguments are created, receiving through this arguments. Once the object is created, then the linked hash set structure is created for the variable obj by default. Now here we are going to giving the scanner class for receiving user inputs during the runtime. So enter the number of inputs. Here number of inputs is receiving through the variable n. Here the number of inputs I am receiving is a 3. Then here I am entering the integers as a input because my wrapper class generic data type is here integer. Then inside that for loop I am receiving the inputs until 3. Here first I am receiving the input by using the sc dot next int. I am receiving 1, that is adding into the variable obj. So here 1 is added into here. Then next element, the address will be indicated here. Then this link is indicating the next memory location. Here now going back to the for loop, inside the for loop I is incremented to less than or equal to 3, which is true. Then which is receiving another input, that is 2. 2 will be stored as per the add statement. Here 2 is storing here. Then address of the next field, this one will be written here, and the link is created to link the next memory location, going back by incrementing the I. So here I is incremented to 3. 3 less than or equal to 3 as per this condition, which becomes true again, which is receiving the next integer input 3, that is adding to the variable obj. So now 3 is adding here. Then the next memory location will be indicated here. So now I is incremented. Now 4 less than or equal to 3 becomes false. So once it is false, it will come out of the for loop. So there is no element, so it will store as a null, right? This link is not available. So the hash structure is created by using the linked list concept. So both are combined together for the linked hash set class. Now we are going to check what are the elements available in the linked hash set 1 in the object variable. As per this moment, here we are having 3 elements 1 2 3. So that is printing over here 1 2 3, you see, which is printing as per the structure we have inserted. First we inserted 1, then 2 and 3. So this is maintaining the inserting order what we have used during the input time. And now here I am creating one more hash structure LH by using the linked hash set class, then which is also carrying default capacity and load factor. The value is here the integer values by using the generic data type. Now I'm going to inserting the element here, you see, into the LH. So whatever variable here I have used, whatever values, right, whatever values I have stored in the obj as per this moment 1 2 3 is available, those are adding, all the elements are adding into the LH. So here LH will have the elements which are stored in the obj. Now I am going to add a single element into the LH. So now for the LH also the object is created. Here the AL values, OBJ values are stored 1 2 3. The value address field is having here 1, this one, and here 2 the next one, and here 3 is having null. But here we are going to add one more element, so 100 will be added here. Then 3 is updating in this address field, so 3 will be updated and null will be assigned here. So totally 4 elements available in the object LH at this moment. Now I am trying to display that elements by using the iterator method. So iterator method, which is iterating through the LH, then the both will be assigned to the itr variable. Using the itr variable, I am checking the accessing the elements of LH object, which is using the iterator method. So the accessibility is given to the itr variable. So itr is checking, right, which is having the next element or not. So itr is assigned to this, which is checking the element one is available or not. I mean, the element available in the first location or not. Yes, it is available, then it will return true. It will enter into the while loop. Current element 1 is printing, that is printing over here. Then space is leaving, so space is giving here. Again, there is no statement, going back to the while loop. The itr is moving to the next as per this method. So now the itr is moving to the next element here. Okay, here. Then now which is checking itr has next element or not. Yes, which is having 2, right, then it will return true. Then it will get inside the while loop, which is printing the current element is here 2, so 2 is printing. Then moving to the next index value. The next index value is here 2 will be accessed. So here 2 is printing here. Then next here, which is checking the next element here 3. So 3 is accessing, then again it will go back after leaving the space here. Then now which is checking, right, next element is available or not. Yes, next element is also available 100, so 100 is also printing. So like that, it can access all the elements which are stored in the hash structure by using the itr variable, which is having the iterator method. So here we are inserting the elements by using add method here, and we are accessing all the elements and copying to the another object here LH by using add all method. So this is the way to insert the elements into hash data structure, I mean linked hash set structure. And now how do we delete the elements from linked hash set structure? We can use remove method and remove all method. So here example is given. The object is created by using linked hash set class. The wrapper class generic data type integer is given to implement the set interface. Once it is defined, the obj variable created with some hash structure, linked hash set structure. Right, now we are going to receive the user input from the running time. So during the running time we are getting the input. So here enter the input, I am giving as a 4. Then here enter the integers as input because my wrapper class data type is here integer. Then I am giving 4 number of inputs one by one here until this condition becomes false. So I am giving 4 inputs 10, 20, 30 and 40 added into the obj. So 10 will be adding here. Then address of the next field will be written, and 20 is added here. Address of the next field is written. Then address the next value is 30 is added here. Address of the next field will be written. As of now null. Then when you are adding next value 40, then address of the next field will be written here. As of the initial at the initial stage it will be null. Okay, now the values are stored. The link also created when you are giving the address field in this memory locations. Okay, so here now we are going to access the elements by using the system.out.println statement. Just we are accessing those elements. Here I am printing 10, 20, 30, 40 in whatever order we have inserted into the obj hash linked hash set structure. Now I am going to delete the data by using remove method. I want to enter the data which is going to be deleted. The data is here. I am going to delete 20. So 20 is giving as a input during the runtime. Then I am using the remove method to delete 20 from the list, I mean linked hash set obj. So obj is having the 4 elements, right? Now I'm removing that. After removing, here now linked hash set structure is printing by using this one. So now at this moment we removed the 20. So once it is removing the 20, so now the this field will be updated. That field will be updated as 3. So this link will be broken, new link will be created here. Okay, this link also will be broken. Okay, new link is created. So now the first memory location which is having 10, that address field is denoting the address, I mean the address field 2, not 3. So this address field, okay, this address field is updating here. Okay, so based upon that, now which is printing the values obj, you see 10, 30 and 40 is printed. After that, if I want to remove all the object from the all the elements from the obj, then I can give remove all method. After removing, I am printing the obj, right? So now you see I removed all the elements, so now it becomes, right, it becomes empty. So now you see which is returning empty structure of the obj after removing all elements. So using the remove and remove all methods, we can remove or delete the elements from the linked hash data structure obj variable. Thanks for watching.